Hello, I am going to talk about how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 if you get this error and you can't do anything about it. This PC does not currently meet the minimum system requirements to run Windows 11. Alright, so this is when you go to Windows Updates, this is the error message, or this is the message you get. So let me close that. And let me, so this is what you need to do. Open up Registry Editor. So I'm going to open regedit, and you have to say yes to give it permissions. You need to go into HKey local machine and then system and then setup and then mo setup. Mo setup. In here you need to create a new D word, and it has to be called allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU. So let me paste that, and you need to change this value to 1. Alright, so hit OK to that. And what we need to do is we need to restart this particular machine. So I'm going to go ahead and restart it, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm logging back into this machine. This is a physical Windows 10 machine. It's a laptop that I use for various things, testings and things like that. So, alright, now I have that registry fix in place. Next thing I need is to download Windows 11 ISO. So I already have one on this machine, but I'm going to show you where you can download one. So I'm going to put this link in the description. You would go to this page and you want to download Windows 11 ISO file. And then you can just click on download. It'll start downloading it. Alright, since I already have one on my machine, I'm not going to go ahead and download it. I'm just going to go ahead and open it and just run setup. Yes, I do want to run a setup, and we'll give it a minute or so. I want to probably say sure. Okay, installing Windows 11. So I'm gonna go next. It's gonna start running and checking, go through its checks and whatever else it does in the background that needs to check and see what it needs to download or whatever else the case might be. So don't forget, Windows 11 is a free upgrade to Windows 10, but if your hardware is not compatible, you won't be able to upgrade it. This is a workaround. I'm not saying this is um, the best workaround. Probably is better if you have a compatible system, but for testing purposes, this is fantastic. If you want to try out Windows 11 and so on, you can just go ahead and do this, and then it'll just upgrade, and you can test it out. All right, so the license agreement came up. I'm just going to hit accept, and it's continuing to do checks and stuff. So while that's doing that, I'm going to just um, show you guys host name. Let me see what this is. Okay, this is laptop one. That this is, I want to do it before and after so no one says that I did an upgrade. So this name of this machine is laptop one, IP config. This is IP information. Where is the, let's do slash all. So you can see, I'll point out after the upgrade what the MAC address is. So my IP of this machine is .51, and this is the MAC address. I'm actually going to copy this so that way I know for sure that it upgraded it. So let me close this. This is still going. All right, so you might come up with to this message, Windows needs attention. Basically, it says that your PC is not compatible, and you know you might not get future updates and things like that. Which honestly, you still get updates. I've tested this before on another machine, and I'm still getting updates. So I'm not sure why they even displayed this, but I'm gonna accept it and just continue the installation. So here's the window, it's ready to install. It wants to install Windows 11, keep my files and apps and so on. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on install. And it will continue on doing what it needs to do, basically upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Alright, so we're at 61% at the moment. Just giving you guys an update. This is still going. Alright, so I just logged back into this Windows machine, and as you can see, it's Windows 11. Oops, that's not what I want. Win version. So it's Windows 11, 21H2 build 22,000. And just to prove that this did upgrade, see host name. So the host name was laptop 1, right? And it's ipconfig/all. The MAC address, for this machine. Let me just make sure my notes are correct. 76B1. Okay, so this is straight and forward. If you guys have questions, comments, let me know. Put in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Again, if you guys need help, let me know and I'll help you out. See you in the next video.